Alright, everybody, it's me, King Koopa, and me, King Meowth. And, yes, we're finally back. Well, we haven't been, we would just, I don't know why I'm saying this. Anyway, today, here in our collab channel, we're going to react to SML short. I don't know who is that. Well, I did react in SML YouTube poop in the Pokemon Kids channel. Oh yeah, I saw that. So, before we continue, make sure to watch this channel and the Super Mario Kids channel and the Pokemon Kids channel. Yeah. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see in this channel, and the Super Mario Kids channel, and the Pokemon Kids channel. So, for example, you guys want to see. You guys remember Super Mario Meets Pokemon, the reboot that we did? Not the reboot. Sorry, that got deleted. That was back in 2018. Oh yeah, I remember that. That's gonna. If you guys want that, that's gonna be in the Super Mario Kids channel and the Pokemon Kids channel. So yeah. Anyway, without further ado, let the reaction episode begin.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and turn my pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups?
Oh my god.
Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear him.
He doesn't want to hear it. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're also reacting to what Coop said, but he didn't say the other name. The name of the episode, SML. Well, he did say SML short, but SML short Jeffy's hiccups. Has hiccups. We don't know who's Jeffy, but yeah. What's that a fourth wall break? How was a doctor helping us? So calling a doctor for a stupid situation? What the hell? Yeah, that's what you get.
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah.
Stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
Are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Wow.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of the 7-stage process.
That's how what happened to us when we were kids. Yeah, that's true.
The only thing we gotta do now is go.
We haven't had any hiccups ever since
I'm
we
gonna
were
have to go into my
born.
car and get a few things.
Okay.
Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically go.
You stop doing that.
All right. That's not working. Come on, follow me. Balloon a second. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Nope.
Man, I'm really
What?
all right. Okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Pop it. Nope.
All right. On to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right. So stage 3 is the angry.
Oh my god.
Fourth stage. It scares your kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sherry,
Got something in my
where's
ear.
my dinner? Sherry, I got laid off at work today, Sherry.
You take it off? Yeah.
What is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sherry? That's not healthy.
Oh my.
Where's
Oh my
kid
god.
So I can yell at him. Don't make me get the mask. Boo!
Oh my.
Yeah. Did that work? on to stage 4.
Oh my god.
Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that
Oh!
Well, yeah,
We should use a crossbow to destroy the twerps.
this there goes through Jeffy's head and dies.
Well, naturally destroy it by scare them, make them faint. Ooh, that could be good idea.
Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you
Oh,
okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
yep.
What are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5. Alright, so stage 5, we got a bomb here.
What, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb. And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes, and we all
That's a fake one. That's fake anyway.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Yeah, they're.
Pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb.
I knew it.
Oh.
I knew it was a fake
On
bomb.
to the next one.
Oh my god!
Stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the
Oh my god.
is gonna get rid
Who
of his
does?
hiccups.
Oh my god, who does
Oh,
that?
don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
What,
The Twister Man.
Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
Oh my god.
Alright, champ, down you go.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Jeffy, are you okay? Well, he landed left hand on red, so I did it
Well,
to land
duh.
my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7.
Final-
The worst, most
final
scary
battle.
I can think of.
What is that?
Final battle. What?
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open.
How is that gonna help get rid of the
How
hiccups?
much I owe you?
It's already
Let
open?
me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
What?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Whoa.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
Get out.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
How is that even? How was that scary?
But I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
Yeah, how it, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Oh! Alright.
Alright, 46 seconds left.
I hate to say it, but
All
I
right.
think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Nobody does. Nobody can have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly.
Yeah.
No, Dad, but it was really scary. It's like you eat my face.
What?
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
But Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I think so. What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups.
Oh my god.
No, please don't have it.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the
Ow.
crossbow.
Well, that was it. Well, we thank you guys so much for watching. Like we said before early, comment down below what you guys want to see in this channel and the other 2 channels. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
That's right.